Welcome to the mini-series about HELIX Permanent Jewelry Welder by Pepe Tools. My name is Basia, and on this channel we talk about metalsmithing and jewelry making. Today, in the first video of the series, I'll explain what this tool does and how to set it up. So what's permanent jewelry and what does this welder do? Permanent jewelry can be a bracelet that's been directly welded on your wrist, leaving just enough space for it to be comfortable and safe to wear. It won't slip off, it'll stay on your wrist. And there's no clasp, as it is directly welded. However, you can remove it whenever you want to, just cut it off. And honestly, that's it. It's a simple and fun concept, and if you remember braided friendship bracelets, this tool allows you to use similar concept but professionally and in metal. It's a cool way to create friendship and couples bracelets, or have your favorite bracelet always on you if you don't like to take it off. Due to its small size, you can take it anywhere you want and set up a pop-up stand at a craft fair or retreats, or honestly anywhere you want to. There are tons of different chains too, so options for bracelets and anklets are endless. But is it only for making permanent jewelry? No, and that's what got me especially excited, because I am very interested in using this in other jewelry making jobs. For example, if soldering job is especially tricky to put all of the elements together, you can use that and prepare your metal for further soldering and all of the elements. Or if you need to repair something, but normally you wouldn't be able to do that anymore because of the stones, or it's just because it's fragile, that's where welder comes in handy. So I'm very excited to see what it can do. I just wanted to give you this idea, however, we'll cover it in the next video in details. But today, let's open the box, set it all up, and see how that looks and how it works. As part of this set, you'll get all of these accessories, which are all you need to get started. You can also order them separately if you prefer it. This is how the welder looks like. It's a small box with a welder's handpiece permanently attached to the box. There are slots on the side of the box to insert plugs and argon gas, all labeled. Speaking of argon gas, it can help achieve much better quality of the weld. However, it's not necessary. The HELIX can work without argon, which you can add later on if you decide to. The argon gas bottle can be ordered from Pepe Tools in the USA, which makes the setup much easier. In Poland, however, I sourced the gas myself from a trusted source because this bottle could not be delivered overseas due to regulations. Here are some accessories that are included in the set. Included in the set are also chains, sterling silver and gold filled, as well as jump rings, so you can start using the welder right away. The set comes with cleaning products to be used while welding. Make sure to use them, as the cleanliness of the metal matters. Safety is extremely important, so don't neglect your eyes and use eye protection glasses. Holder for a handpiece makes it easy to use the welder with both hands and to keep the handpiece steady. It also helps to keep it in a safe position. Now let's move on to the setup. Plugging in the power cable. Here's where you plug the hose for argon gas. To remove it, simply press on the blue circle around it. Choose a grounding cable and plug onto the welder. You can stack the grounding cables on top of each other using these handy plugs. Next, we'll set up a handpiece. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to pull off an end piece to get to the collet that holds the electrode. Then you unscrew and pick the electrode and insert it. Electrode needs to be adjusted to a proper length, so use the end piece of the handpiece to measure it. To do that, you need to rest the handpiece on the brass collet and make sure the length matches the line on the end piece. Then tighten the collet. After putting the end of the handpiece back on, check if the end of the electrode is sticking out about 1 millimeter to 1.5 millimeters. Adjust if necessary. Setting up the argon gas bottle. I recommend you check out Pepe Tools' video where Randy explains everything super well and he shows how to set up an Argon bottle for the US viewers. It's very straightforward, so don't worry at all, it's nothing complicated. Here's how I set up my bottle here in Poland. I purchased it online from a shop that had lots of good reviews. Unfortunately, the smallest bottle I was able to find was still 8 kilograms, and it's quite large. It arrived with a mini regulator. Unfortunately, it was leaking. This can be checked using soapy water, so you can see if the bubbles are where the gas is leaking. I returned this regulator and found a better one. This one is by the Polish brand Perun, and it works great. I've attached it using instructions, and I needed to find an adapter to connect the original hose that was included with the HELIX welder and the hose that is suitable for that regulator. I was able to connect them and the gas is flowing. Now let's see how to turn on the welder. Turn on the switch on the welder, then turn on the button on the front. Ready light will turn on. Use the proper amount of joules depending on the project and materials. Now we need to activate the welder. To do that, touch the end of the electrode with the grounding tool. There's a beep sound and the charge diode turned on. Now the tool is fully set up and ready to work. Let's test it on a simple example, connecting a jump ring. 6 joules is enough for a jump ring. This was extremely quick and easy, and protective screen protects your eyes so you can work with ease. However, you can also do exactly the same thing with protective goggles and a holder for your handpiece. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you all of the uses for this welder, including making permanent bracelets and anklets, closing jump rings, and using it in other jewelry making projects. Can a welder replace soldering, or can it assist in it? Let's find out next time. Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you Pepe Tools and my patrons for this opportunity, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!